Hey guys, it's Dave, your mortgageguy.com, and I'm back with another market update. Today is April 13th, and I wanted to go over a bunch of items that I'm seeing in the marketplace to keep you updated, all right? Number one, I'm hearing a lot about lenders not offering or being able to do Texas cash out loans. That is not true per se as an industry. It's probably lender specific to that lender. I am doing cash outs. And we'll continue to do cash outs. So I don't see that being an issue. If you follow me on social media, I posted a major article about Chase and the changes that they're making. Chase, as of technically tomorrow, Tuesday, the 14th, they're going to go to a minimum credit score of 700 with a minimum down payment of 20%. Okay. Now, why is Chase doing that? They're doing that because they're tightening up because of the risk that they're really dealing with right now. They're also trying to slow down their production because the amount of refinances they have, and their employees working from home. So everything is much slower for Chase. Okay, so they're tightening. I think you'll see the big banks, some of them follow suit with that. Okay, keep in mind, this is not an industry change. So I myself am not making any of these changes. We're still lending as normal. I'm having the biggest month I've ever had in the month of April. So we're still very aggressive, still doing those loans. But if you have a client who is working with Chase or wants to talk to Chase, I would greatly avoid them doing that, especially because on top of these changes, their ability to close on time is becoming slim to zero. All right, so something to keep in mind. Also, I'm seeing with Quicken. So Quicken, I just dealt with this. They could not pre-approve an FHA loan under a 620. Client had a 608. I was able to approve them. No issue. But you're starting to see Quicken getting tighter. I'm also seeing their fees and their costs go up. They used to be much more competitive, and I think that's starting to become not the case with as crazy as the market is and the exposure that Quicken is taking on in the market. Okay? Let's be honest, none of us loved Quicken to begin with. So this is just another reason to not like them, right? Here's another major announcement. So today's the April 13th, 2020, which I told you. This weekend, Fannie Mae's underwriting automated approval system did tighten up, okay? Now, I'm not seeing anything that specifically says what they're tightening up, but common sense would say, and my experience in the industry, is that it's going to be based on lower credit scores, lower down payment, higher debt to income ratios. They're going to get tighter on that. They're going to make it harder to get those loans approved. If your client was pre-approved before this change, then they're probably still pre-approved. If they're getting pre-approved after, then they would be dealing with those new changes. Okay, so that's not good news, but something that you may start to see. Okay, another thing that I'm getting a lot of calls and emails from realtors on are lenders telling them it's just impossible to close loans, impossible to get many types of loans done. A lot of loan officers, because of the fear, are tightening up and kind of retreating, not really sure what's going on in the market. And because of that fear, not going out and doing what they can, not keeping you informed, not being aggressive on files, just really hoping to ride this out. The truth of the matter is, in order for our industry to survive, you can't take that route. So if your loan officer right now is not trying to make the deals work or is very nervous with the company that they're with or their own knowledge, their underwriters, whatever it is, I would say it's time to find another loan officer, right? Because in push comes to shove, these moments are what define some of the great people that are in our industry. All right? So call or email me anything. Comment down below, subscribe to my videos, and I'll continue to keep you updated on any market changes I'm seeing. And if you find my videos helpful, I'd love to be your lender. Thanks, guys.